Olivos, Lake Achuma. We're heading north on the 101, the last day of August 2024. We're gonna go towards Orchid, Santa Maria, Napomo, Central California, land of the Chumash American Indians. Los Olivos is a little town. I forgot about that one. We won't pass through it, we'll pass by it. I'm not sure. A lot of people move from Santa Barbara into Los Olivos. I mean Los Alamos. Los Alamos. In September, they have Los Alamos Days. I'm going to make sure that I get a video and put on YouTube. So we will go to Los Alamos in September. Now we're moving into land that grows grapes. Wine grapes. Wine grapes. In the last 25 years, they started growing grapes from Paso Robles to Santa Barbara. California has wine grapes. Between Buellton and Los Alamos, California on the Central Coast. Wine, grapes. Grape vineyards, grape vineyards, grape vineyards, and more grape vineyards. If there's not grape vineyards, there's usually cows. All this land used to grow vegetables. More money in wine. road. I'm trying to think the name of it. Anyway, it will take you to 135, and that's how you get to Vandenberg Air Force Base. Oh my goodness, they look so pretty. All lined up in a row. Probably see some pretty vineyards over here. As we come around this corner. California wine. All that's vineyards. The wines love this heat. Santa Maria 16 miles, San Luis Obispo 48, and San Francisco 279 miles. San Francisco. More vineyards. Grapevine. Grapevine wine. Grapes for wine. They take up a lot of water. For miles and miles and miles. Oh, there's some bare land. Somebody better get to work and plant them vineyards. Buellton, California. We already passed Los Alamos. We're going to come into Orchid, the town of Orchid. Well, we'll pass it. It's going to be on both sides of the freeway up here. The 101 north of Santa Barbara, Goleta, El Cap, Refugio, Gaviota, Buellton, Los Alamos. We're going to come into Orchid, Central California, the last day of August 2024. See all the grape vineyards up there? Grapevines, wine time, California wine. Who knows when those grapes will be drunk. You drink them, you drunk them. You drank them. So this is coming into Orchid on the right side. A lot of it's on the left. Santa Maria is 8 miles. San Luis Obispo 40, San Francisco 271 miles. This is the town of Orchid. I have no idea what the population is. Never seen a sign for it. Orchid is right next to Santa Maria. In fact, they all run together. Once you get in the town, the south would be Orchid and the north would be Santa Maria. A lot of berries and fruit, vegetables grown under plastic.